In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Lovable AI project to GitHub, turn it into an iOS app with Capacitor, and upload it to TestFlight for testing. We'll go through the full process in a clear and practical way, starting from your project export and ending with a build uploaded through Xcode to App Store Connect. If you're following along on a Mac, make sure your project is already working as expected before you begin, because it's always easier to package and distribute an app after the web version is stable. First, export your Lovable AI project to GitHub and then clone that repository onto your Mac. This gives you a local copy of the project to work with, which is important because the iOS build process will happen on your machine through Xcode. After cloning the repo, open the project folder and confirm that all the files are there and the project is set up correctly. This is a good time to make sure dependencies are installed and the app runs normally before moving on. Next, add iOS platform support using Capacitor in your terminal. From inside the project directory, run npx cap add iOS. This creates the native iOS project files that Xcode needs. After that, run npx cap open iOS, which will open the iOS project directly in Xcode. Capacitor acts as the bridge between your web app and the native iOS container. So this is the step that transforms your project into something Xcode can build and deploy. Once the project is open in Xcode, go into the project settings and configure your Apple developer team credentials. This step is essential because Apple requires your app to be signed correctly before it can be installed on devices or uploaded for distribution. In the Signing and Capabilities area, select the correct development team for the app target. You'll also want to verify that the bundle identifier is valid and unique for your app. If Xcode shows any signing warnings, resolve those before continuing because they can block the archive process later. When everything looks good, archive the build in Xcode. To do that, choose the appropriate build target and create an archive using Xcode's distribution tools. After the archive is complete, upload it to App Store Connect. From there, the build can be processed and made available through TestFlight, which allows you to distribute the app to testers before a public release. After the upload finishes,